Okay, here we have another fresh arrival this morning. 2024 Honda CRV EX, all-wheel drive, 23,000 miles on it. Bought here brand new from one of our great customers that has been buying cars here for many, many years. She services here also. This thing is in immaculate condition. Outside, no scratches. Paint's nice and shiny. She definitely took care of it. It's the meteorite gray metallic. Show you as I walk around the car here. It looks really good in the sun. It definitely sparkles in the sun. I don't know if you can see that here. Again, 2024, so it's the newest body style CRV they have out. They redesigned it in 2023. Lots of safety features. The EX model is a great model because it has moonroof, alloy wheels, remote start, lots of great features. It's all-wheel drive. This one's Honda certified, so it's going to go through the 182-point inspection. Check it over from top to bottom, front to back, side to side, fluids, filters, brakes, tires. Everything is going to be up to Honda specification. Let me show you the wheels there. No curb rash, no scratches. I just checked out all four. They look really, really good. Show you the inside here. 2 sets of keys. It's got a power seat. Show you there. Armrest in the middle and the back that can fold up. Show you the miles here. 22,632 to be exact. Infotainment system. There's one of the keys with the remote start. The other one is on the way. Come check it out today. Victory Honda of Plymouth. This one won't last long. CRVs are hot, popular, in my opinion, the best car in this segment. There's no other vehicles that perform or look like this one. Reliability, quality, resale, you name it, it's got it. Victory Honda Plymouth, 315 Ann Arbor Road, Plymouth, Michigan. Give us a call, 734-453-3600. Thank you.